I'm prepared to go long here. Looking at ES and Q has just gone bunkers. So do NQ today. So let's put this. We saw a huge drop. So this is the CPI hourly close. We took by sell side already. Enter here with a smaller position. So nothing. I want to risk 10k. I can afford. So this was the CPI low of the day. This was CPI hourly close. CPI. So first candle close level. So let's see. Want to buy more here. Or above this level. Let's put the buy of 50. This might want to come lower a little bit. Take this wick out. Let's do like this. OT, but then there's this. Okay, so we are in. Let's drive this higher. So risking 10k. There. Now, do we do a quick scalp? So adjusting the buy zones, putting some into balance. 2k positive. This is CPI hourly close, so it's very sensible, this price level. So I'm putting something in the bag. Let's push it to this level. 17,867. Keep on buying. I can afford until 10k here. Let's see if it does not continue to drop. Let's see. ES. So 10k is about here. Let's stop below this and enter another buy. OTE 50%. 10k risk. Buying in the zone. So came to the CPI hourly close, checked it. We took some stops there and there. So there was previous week, and now we took this sell side liquidity here. So we have some space to move higher if it is allows. Well, buying this, drop. Yeah, they came to the 50%, 62. Let's put this by here, below the 50%. Okay. $12K already done with risk. Really pushing it lower. So yes, took also sell stops. So this is bound to go higher now. Yes, sir, it's already pushing forward. So I'll enter another buy. Reducing risk to 50K, below 79% level. And now let's push it to CPI hourly close again. Which is reducing risk, buying until 10K there. Now I want to see this break the same as here, and do not do any smart money technique reversals and so on. So what I want to avoid is that this is taken sell stops and this will resume pushing lower. So now risk is minimal. There's a buy side imbalance here, could come after it, but this is clearly so smart money reversal at this level, 79-80%. They entered here. We see moderate, same equalize, and this is lowering, so this is SMT on the lows. We are at break even, so let's push it upwards. Let's break this candle, and now let's do the reverse analysis. And so CPI hourly close, so let's push it a little bit, still have some space to buy. List consequent encroachment, we are at the 15-second chart, so I'm a little bit in drawdown here, so I'll just put something in, target the new week opening gap above here, and particularly this candle there, the week candle. So I'll be buying until we arrive there, just pyramiding this trade. So we are now above CPI hourly close, so my stop now goes to this level. ES is already responding, NQ the same, so let's keep on buying this until we reach our target, which is that candle for 70K. Now the trade is at break even here. I'll put it at the CPI hourly close and buy until we arrive there. This is micros. Yeah, so this was a range that got broken there, 2 weeks, and now they are going for the middle of it at the least. So my stop now goes to this level, 190, starting to cash in. Cover the account first, account balance. Let's put this a little bit higher to be faster in selling above this level. See on the 15-second charts. Well, calling for a drop. So 168, so already well positive for the day. Let's target this middle of the range. Let's calculate the range as follows. That week and this one. There. 5-minute basis, and the level is 61.75. 61, sorry, 81. 81 and a quarter. There, so there's also this draw. The draw is here. So let's see if we can hold this trade. Since I took some partials, I'll put now this at break even and buy at this level. Yeah, this is calling for a 2020 model or not. No, it's just too bullish. The XY keeps on digging into its this is, I believe it's a weekly, no, a monthly CB. Yeah, did not come for this, so let's put it again, buying, and then exiting there. See the exiting point. So 81 and a quarter, sorry, and a half. Stop is now below this week. 10-second basis, and there's a order block there. Done. So trade finished. So let's see. Executions. Lot of confusion here. So buying and selling all over the place. So we did roughly, we were sitting at 145. 145, and so balance start. So balance is 1190. So we got 45 yeah, 45k profit. On the account. And what happened here in GBP and Euro? They went lower, basically. So we saw a huge bump on the XY, causing this to retrace. Let me just remove this. Trading, executions, removing. So causing ES and Q to have a a run on sell side. So stop rate. These are the key levels for the CPI last week. So CPI closed based on first, so 1 minute candle, so that is clear. And this is CPI hourly close. So between these two levels, price is highly sensitive. So it came here, touched this order block, dropped yesterday. So this was on Monday after the open Asian and then Asian session, dropped. CPI 1 minute candle dropped and then came and replicated the CPI movement more or less, because the CPI, let me just remove this, CPI opened there, close on the minute basis here, and then CPI hourly close was around this level. So basically this drop here. So this is how I have adjusted today's trading to the CPI values. So CPI week, so this was the high, this is the Judas swing. First candle minute starts there, stop there. After 1 hour, maybe it's 1 hour. We see 1 hour candle. Yeah, so the 1 hour candle close there, and then keep on pushing lower to CPI lows of the day at this level. So these two levels are critical because this is an hourly close and this is a 1 minute close basis, but after a huge drop, so which was basically 200 points of the drop. So we have 200 points in just one candle, and the algorithm is still coping with this huge drop. So came above, balance all this range here, above this level up to there, balance, got balanced, up and down, came here, came lower, balanced at that portion. This was balanced on Friday, so this portion balanced, then create the level for a second drop on top of this week, more or less. So completely balancing the CPI drop. It was abrupt, so CPI opened there. So all of this range was already balanced and then dropped on Monday. So we are now on Tuesday. We saw Judas swing, came, touched, well, even closer, very close to the range. This was the hourly close, 1 minute close basis. So broke here, came to the middle of this, more or less, of this candle, touched exactly. This is a 1 hour basis. Bearish order block there. So huge bearish order block with some time distortion in the middle. So between Sunday creates a bearish order block, and then on Monday price just keeps trading in the range, and then today, Tuesday, 2 o'clock, which is Frankfurt, tagged it. So the high comes at 17,724.75, and the low, the low comes at 1725 and a quarter. So here comes at 24.75, so less alpha point, and then just broke. This was this morning, so we could have entered short there and just followed the drop at least until this level. And then 3 o'clock, so this was a Judas swing. 3 o'clock London opens on the lows, and then just take the sell side and that sell side liquidity here, there, digging into this hourly fair value gap completely, and came to see which level this is, yeah, came to 50% of this push. So more or less tagged the middle of this, more than a middle. Yeah, so they are supporting price at this level. Now CPI close. There's also of relevance the new week opening gap, so we could have pushed it a little bit higher most probably, but it was too risky, so this was the middle of the range we were dealing. And price may come between the middle of this consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap there, might come up to there, but basically we are done. So on hourly basis, price may come to the consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap. So consequent encroachments to there, but this is already now consolidating. So the move was done between trading executions. So we stopped trading exactly here, and then what we are seeing is a coil. So in order to re-enter this, only with a strong bearish move from the XY, and an idea would be to enter on strength above this, put the stop below this level. If it comes above, it will be pushing higher up to this level, or sell side liquidity taken. Also this level is crucial. So, but this could be a trade. So 1 to 4. Once price comes above, tags this. This is NQ, has huge capacity to run a few miles, so 46 handles. It's nothing special for it. Keep in touch. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a 45K trade, so I'm happy. Keep in touch. Bye bye.